What we're doing today?
We're going to be riding around the park.
The park? What park are we at?
Langwarrin Nature Reserve.
What's interesting about Langwarrin Nature Reserve?
Used to be an old base during World War I.
Do you remember what year it was?
No.
1886.
1880.
Let's go check it out.
Yep.
Yew! Oh, where are we going? You lead the way. Oh. No swimming in there.
And establishing it as a defence reserve in 1886.